New construction, home will be ready early August. Close to the Navy base Norfolk and Little Creek. Minutes to the bay, of golf course and I-64. Open floor plan, kitchen includes upgraded white shaker cabinets, soft close drawers, doors, West/granite tops stainless steel dishwasher, stove and microwave plus a pantry. Vaulted ceiling in the primary bedroom West/private ensuite bath, LG tiled shower and double bowl vanity West/granite top. Beautiful LVP flooring throughout the downstairs, all bathrooms and upstairs laundry room. Plush carpet on stairs, upper hall and all bedrooms. Fenced-in yard. Garage door and generator plug are also included. Don't miss this beautiful home.